Good evening, guys. So, as discussed in morning video, like we have opened gapped up, and it was significant gap up of 90 odds points. Then told you not to chase that gap up, and what happened after opening the gap up? Nifty came to 270 level. In the morning video, I posted that I'm expecting Nifty to come to 270 level. There we can buy the call option, and that exactly happened. If after opening, Nifty fell 20 odds point more. It came till 270, 265, and at and take support from 270 level and move up to 320, which was kind of acting as a support. Then later on, start acting as resistance. So in the morning, we bought a call option of 19300 at 85 rupees. We waited Nifty to break 320 level, but it didn't break, so we put a stop loss of 100, which was eventually hit. Then I have to go. I have to some work. I move out of the trading, but throughout the day, Nifty didn't break 320 level. Though after morning testing 320 level, it came down till until 250. It tried to give some fake big breakout, and usually people get trapped here when Nifty goes gives fake breakout. But if you see the price action and all, Nifty was bullish after making low of 250, and it get pumped again till 320. Throughout the day, it tried to do consolidation between 280 and 320. Basically, it was moving in a very narrow range. Then after evening or in the afternoon session, after 2 p.m., it tries to break, give one more try to break the 320, but then the rejection came, and till the end, Nifty moved towards again give a one fake big breakout of 270 and move, I think, till 229, 19 to 29. But the adjusted closing of Nifty is 1965, again somewhere on support region. Same happened with Bank Nifty also. So there is one interesting fact about Bank Nifty. Okay, it's open again, gap down, because the whole market was gap down. It goes down and took support from what other people call as a psychological level. So 4400 act as a psychological support, although it make one very bullish candlestick pattern, bottom tweezer, and then it moves up. And after taking support from psychological level of 4400 and giving a sharp bounce, it was doing consolidation in a very narrow range. So throughout the day, market moved in very narrow range. After two, Nifty did gave a breakdown, but the adjusted closing is around 265. So not sure whether to have some panic or not, because still Nifty is hasn't given a closing below 250 level. So that is good news for the bulls. And likewise for Monday, we have same expectation of Nifty to open gap up. So we call this constant gap up opening of Nifty as parampara. So Nifty has a parampara to open gap up. So let's see on Monday whether it maintain that parampara or not. So my view for Monday is a gap up of at 320, around 320 level, 19320, and then move further up to 18 19380. Lot of things depend upon how US will behave tonight. There is a Powell is coming to speak, whether he'll speak hawkish or dovish. Lot of things depend on that, but as per closing I am bullish. uh, if it has given closing at below 250, then maybe I could have given a target of below 1900 or something, but I just said closing move at support region, so I'm expecting nifty to open gap up at 320 and test 18380 to 19420 levels. That will be the level which we may see on Monday. Again, the main culprit for fall is the two Bahubalis. So two Bahubali of market, Reliance and HDFC. HDFC, I mentioned yesterday that okay, uh, it is maintaining at support level of 1580, but today HDFC gave breakdown, and that is the main concern. Unless until HDFC start upward movement or doesn't show any strength, market may remain uh, bearish. So let's see how HDFC behave on Monday. On long term, if we see the HDFC chart, after 1580 it has support around 1500 1520, and we'll see whether HDFC goes till 1520 level, or will it take will take a reversal from here. Currently HDFC is purely in bearish territory. Unless until it moves again above 1580, it is very hard, it is very unlikely to see HDFC not going to till 1520. On Reliance front, this is the one day chart of Reliance. Reliance has given a recently breakout, and this is the support line for Reliance. Reliance has also today tried to lift the market in the first session. In fact, Nifty was bullish mainly because of some bullishness in Reliance. Finally, the Reliance Geo has broken the lower circuit levels and almost hit or hit almost the upper circuit today. So let's see how Reliance behave next week. Although it is holding a support of recent breakout. If it hold this position, then Reliance will become bullish, and with Reliance, Nifty will also get support. The other two Bahubalis of our Nifty Infi is kind of bullish, and it is basically holding the market. Although there was some breakdown in IT sector, around 1% of Nifty IT was down, but Infi and TCS are somewhat holding the market. TCS is doing good consolidation between 3360 and 3400, and Infi is still showing the bullish pattern. You can see it is on the ascending channel, rising channel. So if we get some support from Nasdaq and all, we can expect IT to continue, and especially the Nifty Infi. But Infi is a stock which get hammered whenever FII try to hammer. So this is the favorite stock for hammering. Let's see if it continues its upward journey or not. Else, because other two Bahubali of our stock market, Reliance and HDFC, are totally in bear grip. Hope IT support the Nifty, and we can expect some positive strength in Infi and TCS. Yeah. Yeah. So my expectation for Monday, as I mentioned, like gap up opening, and then testing 380 level. 19,380. So I'm expecting a gap of positive to gap up opening, but that lot depend upon what Powell says tonight, how US market behave tonight. Then definitely we'll see the positive opening. Although today FII has sold heavily, they have sold around uh, 4,600 crores of shares. Yet still the market didn't break, didn't give a it didn't give a breakdown. It was basically moving in range at the closing, especially after 3 it tried to give breakout, but then some buying has come, and nifty has given some positive closing. So let's see how next week span out. If any day nifty give closing below 19,250, then definitely we are heading towards 1900, but let's wait for that. Let's see how market behave on Monday and next week. Okay, thanks for listening guys. Please do like and subscribe the channel.